Raisins and raisin water is a century-old remedy to cure heart and liver-related disorders. Raisins have numerous health benefits. They purify the blood, improve hemoglobin levels, fights aging, stops hair from falling out, regulates blood pressure, promotes bone health whilst being excellent for the digestive system. All these benefits get multiplied when raisin water is consumed every day. This water is known to stimulate certain processes in the liver that help in the detoxification process. You can feel a change in your digestion and energy levels after taking this water for 4 days. Raisin water is loaded with minerals and vitamins in large quantities. Plus, it also gives you the benefits of raisins with lowered sugar content because raisins are sweet. It contains antioxidants which boost the disease-resisting ability of the body. Let's look at the 6 main benefits of drinking raisin water. Number 1, increased heart health. Apart from purification of bloodstream, raisins and raisin water helps in maintaining heart health. It reduces your triglyceride levels and helps in elimination of bad cholesterol. This all contributes to a healthier heart. Number 2, liver detox. Raisin water stimulates a particular biochemical process in liver which results in enhanced purification of the bloodstream. This helps in easy digestion as well as maintaining liver health as raisin water is rich in minerals and vitamins. Number 3, reduces acidity. Raisin water can help increase digestion. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps in segregation of stomach acids during digestion process, which enhances the absorption of nutritional components. Overall, it helps you process your foods better along with no acidity issues. Number 4, a perfect antioxidant. Raisins are basically dried grapes. As we all know, grapes are a great resource of natural bioflavonoids, which are the best natural antioxidants that protect us from free radicals and help us with an enhanced defense system. Number 5, blood purifier. Raisins have been suggested by doctors and medical practitioners for some time to increase hemoglobin levels and purification of blood. Raisins are rich in vitamins and minerals, and they have less sugar as they are dried. Number 6, natural colon cleanser. Drinking raisin water every day for 4 days will give you the best body cleansing results. Better digestion and great metabolism means a healthy gut. If you want to make raisin water, then wash and clean 150 grams of raisins thoroughly. Then boil it in 2 cups of water for 20 minutes. Now, leave the raisins in this water overnight. In the morning, separate the water from the raisins and drink it before breakfast. If you wish, the leftover raisins can be added to cereal to get that extra special benefit. Within a few days, all the toxic substances present in the liver will exit the body and your liver will be completely clean. I hope you have enjoyed this video on the health benefits of raisin water. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 23 amazing benefits of chia seeds. Thanks for watching and bye for now.